Today we have exciting news to share with you all. In this golden October, ACME Laser high-end digital smart factory will be completed. A new factory, but what remains unchanged is the original intention. All our upgrades and efforts are dedicated to providing you with more exceptional products and superior services. In October, when this space is filled with our passion and achievements, we cordially invite you to be among our first honored guests, to embark together on this brand new journey.